Hi, I'm Igor. I'm the founder of Vox Language School in Switzerland. Let's talk about learning languages online. Learning languages online is a big challenge. There's a clash with the reality. You miss out on the feeling of being present in a classroom. Everything is digital and two-dimensional, and it is hard to immerse into the lesson. It feels unnatural and not interactive, because all you do is sit in a room with your laptop, read text on the screen, and click buttons. The existing online learning platforms don't encourage you to speak. They are enforcing passive learning. The communicative aspect is missing. When developing our novel online teaching method, we made sure to address all these issues. Tanya, can you show us how we reshape the online language learning?
Hello everybody, thank you Igor. I'm really excited to show you this. I've just put my laptop on the stand to have the correct angle. This ensures that my facial expression is also part of the learning process. We use Zoom for online classes as it's proven to be very reliable for video conferencing. So, let's get started. Here's my student. Hi Max.
Hello, Tanya.
Can you hear me well?
Yes, very well.
Perfect. This is because we are using noise-cancelling headsets in all of our lessons. At Vox, we use iPads and Apple Pencil to improve communication and function as a digital whiteboard. It's actually more powerful than a physical whiteboard. Just watch. I can open a website. It's also possible to watch videos in the lessons and comment on them on the side. When it comes to homework, the student normally sends the homework to me in WhatsApp, and I can open this picture on my iPad and work with it together with the student, like this. By the end of the lesson, I open the Photos app, select the screenshots from the lesson, and make a PDF document. And send this document to my student in WhatsApp. Max, have you received the document?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, that's great. And now, back to Igor.
Thank you, Tanya. As you see, we addressed sound, video, software, whiteboard, notes-taking. By training our teachers to give online lessons this way, we made a step towards bridging the gap between the physical and distance learning. At Vox, we're used to delivering the highest quality services, and now we developed a new online learning experience behind which we can stand. So, join one of our online courses from wherever you are watching right now.